Good morning, everyone, and hello and welcome back. If you're joining me live or in the replay, I'm Betty Rose Pradhan and I'm the founder of BBITS. Yesterday, we talked about why January matters and why clean books come before tax prep. Today, we're getting practical. We're talking about closing your books, what it really means, and how to do it correctly, even if you're behind. You don't need to panic, you just need to plan. Let's start here. What closing the books really means. Closing the books does not mean printing reports, sending numbers to your tax preparer, clicking Run Report on QuickBooks. Closing the books means finalizing financial activity for a specific period, making sure the numbers are accurate, locking in those numbers so they don't change. Think of it like closing out a month or a year and saying, these numbers are final. This matters because taxes, loans, and financial decisions are based on these numbers. If you've ever sent numbers to your tax preparer and then changed them later, type guilty in the comments. This includes bank deposits, credit card charges, Cash App income, refunds, fees, and transfers. If it touched your money, it needs to be in your books. A common mistake I see is missing income or duplicated expenses. Both cause problems. Missing income triggers IRS notices. Duplicate expenses inflate deductions incorrectly. Neither helps you. Step 2, reconcile all accounts. Reconciliation is non-negotiable. How many of you are guilty of not reconciling your accounts every month? Type me in the comments, excuse me, or raise your hand. This means your bank balance matches the bank statement, your credit card balance matches the statement. If these don't match, your books are not accurate. QuickBooks may show a number, but that doesn't mean it's right. Reconciliation catches missing transactions, duplicates, incorrect dates, fraud, or errors. If December isn't reconciled, the year is not closed. We are in the 7th day of the month. Typically around this time, your December statements have dropped. So you should take the time to download your statements today and begin the process of closing out December 2025. Type yes if December is reconciled, or type no if it's not. Both answers are okay because, as I just stated before, today is the 7th and monthly statements should have dropped either today or during this first time of the period week. If not, depending on when you opened your bank account, that's when your statement will drop. So it could drop between now and the 15th of the month, or actually even the end of the month. This is where most people guess, categorizing expenses correctly. Guessing is very risky. Expenses need to be categorized correctly based on tax rules, not convenience. Common issues: meals coded incorrectly, personal expenses mixed in, owner draws coded as expenses, loan payments expensed incorrectly. Incorrect categories lead to overstated deductions, understated profit, and red flags. Clean books are honest books. Review your reports. Once transactions are in, reconciled, and categorized, you review the reports. Start with the profit and loss. Ask yourself, does this income make sense? Do expenses look reasonable? Is profit realistic? Then review the balance sheet. Again, ask yourself, are bank balances correct? Do credit cards show balances owed? Does equity make sense? If you don't understand your reports, pause before filing taxes. Understanding matters. Step 5 is the lock period. Once everything is reviewed, you lock the period. This prevents accidental changes after the books are closed. Locked books protect your tax return, your accountant, and of course, you. This step is often skipped. It shouldn't be. Who is most likely behind? If you run multiple accounts, use cash apps, DIY bookkeeping, haven't reviewed books all year, avoid looking at numbers, you're not failing. You're just overwhelmed. And that's fixable. At BBITS, this is exactly what we do. We clean up your books, we reconcile your accounts, we close your year properly. So tax prep is smooth and accurate. No judgment, just clarity. If you've taken the time to watch us on today, if your books aren't closed, don't rush to file. DM me close or book a discovery call using the link in my bio. Clean books create confidence. Confidence create better decisions. I'll see you tomorrow when we talk about bank and credit card reconciliations. Thank you for being here. And again, book a call with us today or type book in the comments and we'll reach out and we'll talk to you about your situation. Today is January 7th. Have a great day and a great morning. So